Every car tuner in the world started exactly the same way, watching, dreaming, doing nothing. And most of them never made it past that point, but a few, a very small few, kept going, rank by rank, failure by failure, build by build, until their name meant something. This is what that journey actually looks like. You know every spec of every car you've never touched. 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, 650 horsepower, twin turbo, sequential gearbox. You've watched every build video, saved every photo, planned every mod. In your head, your car is perfect. In reality, it's completely stock. This is rank 1, the dreamer. And here's the brutal truth about rank 1. It feels amazing, because in your imagination, you are already there. Your brain gives you the feeling of the build without the pain of the build. So you stay here, comfortable, watching, planning, never starting. Most people live and die at rank 1. Then one day, something shifts. You buy your first part. Maybe it's just a set of wheels. Maybe it's a spoiler. Maybe it's an exhaust that makes your neighbors hate you. It doesn't matter, because you did something. And the moment you do something, everything changes. You strip your first bolt. You order the wrong part and wait 3 weeks for the right one. You spend twice your budget and lie to yourself about it. Welcome to rank 2, the tinkerer. It's messy, it's expensive, it's frustrating, and it is the most important rank of all, because this is where most dreamers finally become builders. Now you're going deeper. Cold air intake, coilovers, a real tune. You start understanding the relationship between power and handling. You show up to your first car meet. People look at your build. Some nod, some critique. You listen to all of it. You go home and make it better. Your 0 to 60 time drops. Your lap time drops. Your ego drops too, yet because now you know how much you still don't know. This is rank 3, the builder. You're not just modifying a car anymore. You're developing a philosophy. This is where it gets serious. You stop trying to know everything about everything. You go deep on one thing. Maybe it's engine builds. Maybe it's suspension geometry. Maybe it's ECU mapping and data logging. You get access to a dyno. People start calling you for advice. Then one day, someone pays you. Not much, but they pay you. And that changes everything, because now you're not just a tuner. You're someone whose knowledge has value. This is rank 4, the specialist. The world starts to notice. Now you need to prove it. Not in the garage, not on Instagram, on the track, under pressure, with real competitors, with real consequences. And here's what nobody tells you about competition. Your car will let you down. You will let yourself down. You will lose races you should have won. You will win races that teach you nothing. The losses, every single one, will teach you everything. This is rank 5, the competitor. You stop building for the look. You start building for the result. You've earned this. Sponsors start reaching out. Manufacturers want your input. Other tuners reference your builds. Your name carries weight in rooms you haven't even walked into yet. You're not doing this as a hobby anymore. This is your identity. This is your work. This is who you are. Motivation doesn't drive you here. Identity does. This is rank 6, the professional. This rank cannot be rushed. It is earned through years of every other rank. Every stripped bolt at rank 2. Every lesson from rank 3. Every deep dive from rank 4. Every loss at rank 5. Every build at rank 6. It compounds, like interest, silently, relentlessly, unstoppably, until one day, your name is the standard. Magnus Walker, Nakai-san, the names that made cars into art. They didn't start as legends. They started exactly where you are right now, watching, dreaming, doing nothing. This is rank 7, the legend. Here's what every rank teaches you. The car is not the point. You are. Every modification you make to a car is a skill you build in yourself. Every rank you climb is a version of yourself you become. The question is never, can I build a legendary car? The question is, am I willing to go through every rank it takes to get there? Because rank 7 doesn't come to the people who dream the biggest. It comes to the people who kept going when rank 2 got hard, when rank 3 got humbling, when rank 5 felt like it broke them. So, what rank are you at right now? And more importantly, what's stopping you from going to the next one?